Assalamualaikum children. I am Miss Ghazal. How are you all? I hope by the grace of God you all will be fine. Children, this is your phonic reader 2. Now open the page number 5. And now let's read with me. A and man with a map. A man with a map. A man with a map. A at fat. K at cat. R and ran. To the v and van. A fat cat ran to the van. A fat cat ran to the van. A hot pot. A hot pot. A hot pot. Now children, you will understand that how can we read this page. So you have to read this page at home in the presence of your parents. Thank you, take care and Allah Hafiz.